In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create QR codes for your Shopify store in 2025. Whether you're looking to drive more traffic to specific product pages or directly to your checkout page with a curated cart of products, QR codes can be an incredibly effective tool. We'll explore two main methods, using Shopify's built-in Shopcodes app and exploring third-party apps. Let's dive right in. First, let's tackle the built-in solution provided by Shopify, which is the Shopcodes app. This app is designed with ease of use in mind, allowing you to seamlessly generate QR codes that customers can scan to directly access specific pages in your store. The process begins with accessing Shopcodes. From your Shopify admin dashboard, navigate to Settings. From there, go to Apps and Sales Channels. Here, you will find the option to click on Shopcodes. Once inside, you can start creating your QR code. Now, let's move on to actually creating a shopcode. Start by clicking on the Create Shopcode button. You will need to give your QR code a title. This is crucial for keeping your codes organized, especially if you plan to generate multiple ones for various purposes. After naming it, you'll need to choose your scan destination. You can set it to direct users to a specific product page or even to the checkout page with items pre-added to the cart. This destination choice will depend on what you want to achieve with this QR code. For those who want to take it a step further, there are optional settings you might consider. These include adding a discount code to encourage purchases or providing some helpful text to guide your customers. These additional tweaks can enhance the customer experience and potentially increase conversion rates. Once you've made all your selections and adjustments, it's time to finalize and create your QR code. Simply click on Create, and you'll be prompted to download your new QR code. You can choose to download it as either an SVG or PNG file, whichever suits your needs best. Now, if you're looking for more customization, you might want to explore third-party apps such as the QR code generator by ReleaseIt. These apps offer advanced features like personalized QR code design, the ability to embed discount applications, and even track scan analytics for better marketing insights. Access these through the Shopify App Store and choose one that meets your specific requirements for design and functionality. By using these methods, you can effectively utilize QR codes to streamline and enhance the shopping experience for your customers. Whether you stick with Shopify's built-in features or branch out to third-party tools, making QR codes a part of your store's strategy can provide a modern and interactive touch. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps elevate your Shopify store.